My name is Don Hartley. I'm from California. I'm 61 years old. My first car was a 1961 Volkswagen Bug, and I bought it for $75 US. It didn't have very good brakes, so when I wanted to stop, I had to use the emergency brake. Well, some of those we can't talk about. They're special moments, yeah. I had it for about a year, and then I sold it for $250, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Bought it for $75, sold it for $250. I now own a 1975 fully restored like this, which I love driving around town. They're really fun cars. Happy birthday, Beetle.